Hi guys, this is DJ. Welcome to my rooftop garden. You have seen this garden last year, full of marigolds, full of okra plants, and full of abundance. It's been almost 1 year since I uploaded that video. That video received a lot of views and a lot of people started getting interest in what I do and how I do my rooftop gardens. Upfront, I have to tell you something. Here in Hyderabad, there is a shortage of water, particularly in summers. A lot of borewells started drying out, so I did not find it ethical to keep on watering my garden when other people were not having water. So I didn't water my garden pretty much from last November. Even before that, I didn't garden it for a couple of months, and even before that, I didn't water it for 4 months. That was the monsoon season, so that's not a problem. But I didn't water my garden since I would say last October, but I did water a few containers in November, but that's about it. I didn't water it at all, so most of it died off. With the occasional rains and dew and all that, because of a good soil mix that I have, many plants survived, many plants gave yield. The brinjals, aubergines that were in buckets gave pretty good fruits. Of course, I didn't even come upstairs to harvest it. This year I am again starting to do the rooftop garden since the monsoon is here, and this time I want all of you to join me as I do this. I want to share what I do, how I do on my rooftop garden. I plan to do videos both in Telugu and in English. Telugu is my mother tongue. I plan to do these videos both in Telugu and English, so that it might reach many people, and hopefully you people will find this interesting enough and find this worthwhile, worth your time to watch these videos. Now this taro you see here, colocasia, it's lush and green, but this survived throughout the summer without watering. This is the same colocasia in the same box from last year. It went dormant, not in the sense of it didn't dry off. It was green, but it didn't grow rapidly. But now that the monsoon is here, you can see how large the leaves are getting. Same with this turmeric. These two boxes are pretty much what survived from last year. There's one more plant out there that survived from last year. Other than that, that's it. Rest of it, I started planting from July 24th, that is last month. The idea is to do a super intensive rooftop garden just to see the potential of my garden. A super intensive rooftop garden for 4 months. Last year the experiment was to grow the garden with minimum water. This year I am not going to do any of that. This time it is to see the potential, the production potential of a rooftop garden. So as you can see, my garden has new additions, and that is the drip lines. I am going to have more containers this year, and if you can just turn that way and see what I am doing, you can see lots and lots of seedling trays and lots of new varieties being tried. Now don't think that all of these are going to be planted here on my rooftop. No, these are too many for this rooftop. These are going to be shared with my friends here who are also doing the same experiment of finding out how much we can grow on a rooftop, the maximum amount that we can grow on the rooftops we have here, which pretty much cover all the different sizes of rooftops we have here in South India. You can see that I have already planted some stuff, some lettuce there, and some red amaranth, some soya soup. Everything is coming up all right. I have got problems, just like everybody has. I have got a millipede problem. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about what we are doing to deal with that. Other than that, that's about it. Yeah, join me on this channel. I hope to upload many videos, probably once a week a video, or probably two videos per week. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to also count the number of grams, the number of kilograms of produce that I can generate here, which I'll share with you guys, and also some tips and tricks that I learned through studying permaculture and from people in permaculture. So please join me in this journey. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this. Do subscribe to get regular videos, regular updates on my videos. Thanks for watching once again. DJ signing off.